This week I'm actually unboxing another Betamax player. This is one that I got for a really good deal, and it came with a Video 8 camcorder as well, and I got that for dirt cheap. They said that there's something wrong with the loading mechanism. It needs a little bit TLC, but I decided to pick it up anyways because I think I will be able to fix that. So let's get to the unboxing. So this one came in an awkward looking box. I mean, it's like a Franken box. How heavy is this? I would say about maybe about 20 to 30 pounds. That's the camcorder in there. It's a pretty sizable camcorder. Look at this beauty, guys. And for those of you new to this channel, I enjoy collecting camcorders. Not just film cameras and analog gear. Oh, this is beautiful. The guy told me that it was in mint condition, that it works. Look at that, guys. Holy cow, that looks beautiful. So this is the Sony CCD-V110. You can research on it. I'm gonna do another video explaining the features on this, for example. But for now, this is all that I'm gonna share about this for now. Look at the lens on this thing. So it's a professional grade camcorder, or it was a professional grade camcorder from back in the day. It takes video 8 tapes. Well, that was splendid. I just got a call from a scammer. Okay, let's carry on. Just another day in Canada. But this here is so beautiful, guys. If you're interested in knowing more about this, oh, this is beautiful, guys. Just take a look at those features. It supposedly comes with a whole bunch of accessories as well, like the battery pack. This looks like it's the charging dock. So these two are the main packages that came with this. So this one here is a top-loading Betamax player. It's quite portable, and this one here would be the tuner timer unit. I'm gonna open this, and right from the top I have the manual for the camcorder. I have the manual for the recorder and the tuner, I believe, in here. Beautiful, it's in great shape. And here is the player. When I bought it, I actually thought it was front loading, but it's actually a top loading player. So that's the tuner. It's much heavier than the other one, than the player itself. And this seems to be like the main unit because it actually comes with the cables. So in summary, that's what came out of the boxes. The tuner, the player, and the Video 8 camcorder.